If you keep up with regular dental appointments and checkups, you're likely to have experienced the professional dental clean. This is like the car wash service of dentistry and is designed to smooth over those rough edges, leaving your mouth sparkling and feeling healthy. One of the quickest and easiest ways to do this is to remove plaque and tartar. The tartar on your teeth is an accumulation of stains, saliva, food, dirt, and grime. It makes it easier for the plaque to take a hold of teeth. It's tartar that you can see on the outside of teeth in the form of yellow or white patches. Getting tartar removed is really important because it greatly increases the risk of decay and gum disease. While it's not wise to use home remedies, a substitute for proper dental treatment, there are methods that have proved very effective if you just want to minimize tartar buildup between visits to the dentist. We'll be covering all of these best methods in this video. Number 1. Careful and sustained brushing. There are no surprises here. Brushing your teeth is the number one treatment for plaque prevention. If you brush properly after every meal, you can significantly reduce your chance of developing unsightly tartar patches. You need to be brushing for 3 minutes with an even amount of pressure and covering every part of your mouth. Number 2. Clean with baking soda. For many years, people have been using baking soda as a cleaning substance for teeth. It's slightly abrasive, so it pries and files nasty stuff from the surface of enamel. All you need to do is take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Then, dampen a toothbrush and dip it into the mixture. Clean your teeth as you normally would and rinse thoroughly. Number 3. Mix aloe vera and glycerin. The benefits of aloe vera gel have been praised for decades, but did you know that it can also be used to keep your teeth free from plaque? Take a cup of water, combine it with ½ cup of baking soda, and a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then, add a healthy dose of lemon essential oil and 4 teaspoons of a vegetable glycerin. Scrub your teeth with the formula and wake up to a shiny set of noshers in the morning. Number 4. Rub your teeth with orange peel. If you don't fancy rubbing vegetable glycerin on your teeth, you might prefer something a little simpler. You can rub orange peels directly onto your teeth, and this will help to fight tartar building microorganisms on the enamel. You can also mash up the peel and apply it to the stained areas. Leave to rest and then rinse. You should find that this noticeably whitens your teeth. Number 5. Eat lots of fruit and vegetables. This is an all-around great tip, not just one for keeping your teeth healthy. Whether you like them or not, vegetables are a super ingredient. They're great for physical health, and your teeth are no exception. Munching on apples, celery sticks, carrots, and peppers will get your teeth looking strong and healthy in no time. Number 6. Snack on sesame seeds. The humble sesame seed can be used as an active dental scrub. It will gently remove plaque and tartar without damaging teeth. To achieve this, just pop a handful of sesame seeds in your mouth. Chew them up, but don't swallow them. Take an old toothbrush and brush your teeth while the seeds are still in your mouth. They'll act as a scrub and delicately scour the surface of stained teeth. Number 7. Stock up on figs. It might seem a bit random, but figs are great at fighting bacteria and other nasties on teeth. You just have to eat a handful of figs all at the same time. Chew them up slowly and deliberately to give them as much exposure to your gums and teeth as possible. The chewing will kickstart the salivary glands, and as saliva contains antibacterial properties, this is only ever a bad thing for plaque and tartar accumulations. Number 8. Make a super vitamin paste. If you've got more time on your hands, mash up a super nourishing paste of vitamin C heavy fruits like oranges, tomatoes, strawberries, and anything else that you have in the house. Mix together until you get a thick paste, and then apply this to the tartar and plaque buildups. Leave to rest for 5 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. The vitamin C will help to remove bacteria and keep your mouth healthy. Number 9. Feast on spicy cuisines. If you're a fan of Indian or Mexican food, you're in luck. According to dental scientists, spicy cuisines are great for reducing plaque and tartar levels in the mouth, as they increase your production of saliva. As we know, saliva is the secret weapon of the oral environment, as it washes over teeth and cleans them of nasty stuff. Number 10. Gargle with a vinegar solution. This is not a pleasant method for removing plaque, but it is natural and guaranteed not to harm teeth. It will taste pretty unpleasant, but it's effective. Take a solution of 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 4 ounces of water. Gargle with this vinegar solution, then rinse and repeat every 2 to 3 days for maximum value. Number 11. Grind up clove spices. Clove has been used as a pain remedy for toothaches for centuries. It's widely available in supermarkets, so you should have no trouble finding cloves already ground and ready to use. Mix the ground spice with a little water until it forms a paste. Apply this paste directly to the stained areas and leave to rest. Rinse thoroughly. 12. Indulge in cheesy snacks. And finally, snacking on aged cheeses like Swiss or cheddar can be a great way to neutralize the acids that accumulate right after meals. As these acids are what contribute to plaque buildups, you now have a perfectly valid excuse to indulge in your habit for fine fromages. According to scientists, there is an element in aged cheese that acts as a buffering agent and a barrier for plaque. You can also find the same element in peanuts and sesame seeds. The simple remedies in this video are designed to help you keep your teeth looking and feeling at their best between dental appointments. If you have any questions or concerns whatsoever about the health of your teeth, call your dentist, who is, after all, there to give you more expert advice. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean teeth with baking soda. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.